Hey everyone! Today, we are talking about Valif 20mg tablet. Brand name, Valif 20mg tablet. Made by Ajanta Pharma Ltd. Active ingredient, Vardenafil, 20mg. Type of medicine, phosphodiesterase, PDE5, inhibitor. Uses. Treats erectile dysfunction, ED. Common side effects. Headache, dizziness, flushing, stomach upset, nasal congestion. Benefits. Valif 20mg tablet helps men achieve an erection by increasing blood flow to the penis when sexually aroused. It's effective when taken 30 minutes before sexual activity. How it works. This tablet relaxes the blood vessels in the penis, improving blood flow and enabling an erection during sexual stimulation. How to take. Follow your doctor's instructions. Swallow the tablet whole without chewing or crushing it. It can be taken with or without food. Special precautions. Avoid alcohol as it may increase side effects. Not recommended for women. May cause dizziness or vision changes. Avoid driving if this happens. Use cautiously if you have kidney or liver disease. Consult your doctor for dose adjustments. Do not use if you have severe heart or liver problems, recent stroke or heart attack, or low blood pressure. Do not take with nitrate medications used for chest pain.